The lightning.Adding machine. Strong start to a video, I know. So this is the lightning.Adding machine. It was released sometime maybe 20s to 40s. It's kind of unclear. It was made. This model one was made in Los Angeles, California, USA. I'm not sure if any other variations were made somewhere else. So yeah, we'll move to freehand now. Yep. This is a basic adding machine. It uses this turn wheel technique, which the Pascalian used. If you don't know what the Pascalian was, it was the very first wheel adding machine made by Pascal in France. You add by putting the numbers clockwise. Wait a second, I need to hold it down. There you go. 2 plus 5 equals... That's slightly concerning. Okay, we're moving out of freehand mode for a second. Yeah. 4 plus 7 equals 11. 11 plus 8 equals 19. 19 plus 9 equals 28. It's an adding machine. Now, see, there are multiple types of these adding machines. There's this. Then there's the creepy plastic one with the clowns. I do not remember the name, sadly. Let's see. You reset the machine by taking this. Hold up. You reset the machine by taking this red arrow and moving it back to the 9. Doesn't matter where it is. Yep. Oh, also, quick thing. This thing. Oh. The middle one is going to be a lot quieter because I put a lot of lubricant on it trying to fix it. Because when I got this thing, it was stuck at the 2 and would not move, which was very scary. So yeah, as you can see, I have the original Bakelite case, which if you don't know what Bakelite is, it's like the first really used plastic. So I guess the stand was sometimes maybe 30s or 40s. It looks like some sort of wood grain, but actually, it doesn't really look like wood grain on the camera. Well, it looks like some sort of stone or wood, but it's just really fragile plastic. See, I would originally, before I put it back in the case, I would pick it up, show you that it's about the size of a ruler and all that, but it's stuck in the case. The case has shrunk so much on the inside. Because this thing's over 100 years old, maybe be 100 years old, that it literally cannot get out unless I got it out twice, but that took a bunch of lube and a knife. So yeah, let's yeah. Hold up, I have to go real quick. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. I had to go do something. Now see, this, unlike some other adding machines I'm gonna show off in the future. Automatically carries, which you take for granted nowadays, but look, 7 plus 7, 14, automatically goes to the tens place. Well, okay, well technically that's the tens place, but this isn't a business, we're not actually doing that. So yeah. Another thing is, you might hear that ding, I actually have no idea what that is. I think it's a little metal indicator for I don't know. Yeah, I don't really have much to say about this thing, really. It's just a simple, nice adding machine. Nothing more, nothing less. We can't talk about how it does a double clear. Well, not double clear, double add. So it's set up to 99. And add 1 to show you 100. It can do a double add. Now, see, I experimented a little bit and tried to see the highest it can. Go. It went about here before it kind of just wouldn't go. I don't want to risk it because it sounded like the machine was going to break. So yeah. Again, not a lot to say about this thing, really. I'm going to put up some pictures of, the other models. Oh, yeah, the other models. We can talk about that. The other model was blue and had a clear bar. Because, as you can see, on this one, you have to manually clear it by putting, as I said, putting the red arrows back to 9. But on the other model, which could actually do subtraction and was recommended for subtraction, you just pull the bar like whoop, and there was even a hole in the case for that, like right about here. The seller online, I don't want to say he lied, but he lied. He said that this was that model with the clear bar, which is why I got it, because like it's not rarer, it's just harder to find, really. So I thought, oh, that's cool. Didn't look at the pictures close enough, I guess. But anyways, so yeah, I just got this recently, like 2 days ago. And as I said, this one was broken. It wasn't from shipping. I checked the original selling. If you check the pictures, well, not sure how you're gonna check it because they'll be impossible to find. But yeah. Speaking of adding machines, I will be right back. Recently got this little fella, which I'm not going to be using a screwdriver for because I have the original stylus for this guy. This is an original I'm sorry, my camera keeps slipping. An original calcometer, which is, yeah, if you've ever seen like Chris Stanley, not Stanley, you know that the dude who has Clyde as his mascot on like a stone tablet. You've seen probably one of these before. Yep, this is why I say automatic caroling is a oh crap. Sorry, automatic carrying is a luxury nowadays because look, you had to manually carry everything. Like this is the clear bar, so that's one thing that says above this. But yeah, this will have its own video with a bunch of information about it. So yeah. I don't have to cut that out. I'm not sure if the camera picked it up, but oh yeah, I also have the original instructions for this one. Smells like old. So yeah, that's all I already have for this week's video. Might make another one tomorrow about the Milton Bradley Microvision because I already had some footage for that one, but ooh. So yeah, oh yeah, let's see, where did I put it? Oh crap, where did I put it? Well, I'll show you guys in the next video. Okay, well, goodbye.